Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much if you always give me a thumbs up. I just love it. It just motivates me doing more and more videos. I wasn't in this outfit the whole day, but before I tell you more about this outfit, take a quick look. It was kind of stressful because it was a travel day and waking up for me in the morning is never that easy. So I filmed a little bit with my GoPro to let you know how that looks and how that feels when I travel. So take a look at those scenes. It's 7:01, made it, catch the train, now heading to Hamburg. Goodbye Hamburg. It's travel day and I cannot wait to arrive, but I guess I started in the dark and when I arrive it will be dark, I guess. So I often try to stand up a few times, drink a coffee and walk around a little bit, and otherwise I try to answer many comments on Instagram and also working on the next video, like I do right now.
Attention please. Our train won't call Stuttgart and Mannheim. This train terminates today, unfortunately, in Frankfurt main station. Because we have technical damages on the track and on the train.
Hello Frankfurt! so my train ends here, it terminates here, so I have no other chance than be in Frankfurt right now. I should be in 10 minutes at my final destination or at my stop where I should change, but let's have a quick break, take another train and then go on. So hello Mannheim, I made it in time, so just waiting for my next train. It will be just a little train, like the train I started, so nearly there. I think maybe 2 more hours. I need train station Hamburg. So let's find my pickup, maybe a taxi or the hotel. So, let's see. Wow, I arrived. Let me quickly show you my room. It's called Kunstsinn, means as much as something with art, and it looks so beautiful. It's plain and white, and yeah. I just arrived and I just love how this looks, and also the bathroom. And right now I will use that one. So see you in a bit. So it's 5:30, fresh showered, feels so good, so I can restart the day now, I guess. And yeah, luggage is unpacked again. I watched a little bit of soccer, so they won, good. And now, yeah, it's time to prepare for the rest of the day. So this is the Vanessa, you know, all black dressed, black fishnet tights, favorite shoes. So now I feel much better. This is how I love myself much more, not the other girl you saw before in the video. So let's have a coffee and then go to dinner, I guess. I have to wake up somehow. Okay, sorry for showing you always thumbs up, but yeah, I'm just getting used to you. would love to talk to you right now, but it's so loud. So, a little bit. So I cannot believe that I made it in time and catch the train, and I had a 40-minute time to catch the train, and yeah. So I did it just in 5 minutes, but it's okay. I'm here, I'm fine, I arrived, and so yeah, I can start doing what I have to do here. So, but this evening, as you can see, it's getting dark outside, so there's not much time to produce anything, to film or taking pictures for you. So I just did my Instagram picture in the train, but there's not much time to do anything right now. So I'm still working on the next video, so I have to finish that in the evening, but after dinner, because I'm quite hungry, as you might guess. So yeah, that's just a little impression how it looks when I travel. I travel very comfortable in style, and yeah, that's why I need the difference in the evening and dress up like this and then feel normal again. So I hope you like those scenes. Let me know if you want to see more of these scenes, of these GoPro scenes. So if you'd like to get more impressions of my day traveling, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know that. So thank you for your thumbs up, and see you very soon. Oh, there's one thing I like to show you. Oh, you can't really see it. It's brown on a brown sofa. So a parcel arrived for me, and I will show you in the next video what's inside. I know it's mean, but I can't open it this evening. Too tired.